Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel IT Lab Genius. In today's session, we are taking a chapter 3 of recently launched Excel 2022 course, focusing on Exp22 Excel chapter 3 HOE jobs. I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can turn your assignment by watching this video. Here is project description. You can contact me for your assignments, quizzes, exam or complete course. You can see here project description to get ready about your project. Now moving on, step number one. Step number one is about Excel workbook. Start Excel, download and open the name. You can download your Excel workbook from your IT Lab dashboard. I have already downloaded Excel workbook from IT Lab dashboard. Now I am moving on to step number two. Step number two is that in the Outlook sheet, use the Insert tab to create a cluster column chart for the range A5 to D9. Cut the chart and paste it to H1. Set 3.5 inches height and 5.3 inches width to the chart. Okay, first, basically in this step, we will insert a cluster column chart using this range. Go to the Excel workbook, Outlook sheet, select this range, go to Insert, go to recommended chart. This is cluster bar. We need to create cluster column chart. Here is cluster column. Okay, it will be created. Cluster column chart is created now. Cut the chart and paste it into H1. Right click on chart, cut and paste in H1. Here is H1, pasted it. Okay, now set 3.5 inches height. Click on chart and go to format page. Here is, you can change height. Here is height and 5.3 inch width to the chart. Okay, go to the Excel workbook, click on chart, go to the format. Here is width. Okay, you can change width here. Okay, I have done two steps of this assignment. Now I am moving on step number 3. Step number 3 is that in the Outlook sheet, use the recommended chart feature to create a recommended chart for the range A5 to B12 and D5 to D12. Change it to stacked bar chart and move it to chart sheet name bar chart. Okay. Basically, in this step, we will have to create a recommended chart first using this range. Okay, select this range. I have selected this ranges. Now range 2 is that D5 to D12. Click on control D5 to D12. Okay, now create a chart, recommended chart. Okay, change it to stacked bar chart and move it to chart sheet name bar chart. Chart type, here is cluster bar, stacked bar chart. Okay, change it to stacked bar chart and move it to chart sheet name bar chart. Okay, we will move this chart to new sheet, sheet name bar chart. Here is move chart, new sheet is bar chart. Okay, step number 3 is completed. Now moving on step number 4. Step number 4 is that display the new job sheets. Just select the range A4 to B9 and use quick analysis to create a pie chart. Okay, move the pie chart to chart sheet called pie chart. Okay, basically in this tab we will go to new job sheet and select the range A4 to B9 and we will create a pie chart using quick analysis. New job sheet, here is quick analysis chart, here is pie chart. Okay, and to charge a sheet called pie chart, move the pie chart to chart sheet called pie chart. Okay, move on new sheet is called pie chart. Move chart, go to new sheet, sheet name is pie chart. I have done 4 steps of this assignment. Now I am moving on step number 5. Step number 5 is that in the quick outlook sheet, select the range A5 to A12 and D to E12 and create a combo chart with cluster column line on secondary axis. Move the combo chart to chart sheet called combo chart. Okay, basically in this step we will create a combo chart line on secondary axis using these ranges. First we select this range, go to outlook sheet, this range. Now select on second D5 to E12 is D5 to E12 and create a combo chart with cluster column. Go to result tab. Here is combo chart. Here is combo chart. Combo chart liners country axis. Now move on new chart sheet. Combo chart. Go to the move chart. Click on here. Here is combo chart. Okay, it will be moved on new sheet. Sheet name is combo chart. Now I have done 5 steps of this assignment. Now I am moving on step number 6. Okay, step number 6 is that it is important to replace default chart title with actual descriptive chart title. Okay, with the combo chart title, basically in this step we will add chart title on all charts. First step is that we will change the chart title for combo chart. Okay, go to the combo chart. Yes, and click on chart title. Here is change, we can change chart title. Okay, and apply bold and black text font color chart title. Okay, for applying bold, go to the home tab. Here is bold and here is font size. Go to the home tab and go to the font size, which is font font color. Okay, font color. Go to the font color, is font color, apply black text font color. Okay, now select the pie chart. For the chart title, apply bold. Select the pie chart, new computer related jobs by 2029 for the chart title. Okay, first we select this title, select the pie chart, go to the pie chart. Here is pie chart, we can type here chart title, then apply bold 18 pt font size, black text font color to chart title. Okay, here is we will apply bold, then we will apply text font color and we can change font size 18. Okay, now moving on next step, select the bar chart tab, projected number of jobs by 2029 as the chart title. First we select this and go to the bar chart. Yes, column pie new job bar chart. We will change chart title here. Okay, now selected the column chart, tab number of jobs 2029 and 2029 for the chart title, apply bold and dark blue font color to the chart title. First we will select this title and go to the column chart. Here is column chart, we can change this title and apply bold and dark blue font color to the chart title. For applying bold, go to the home tab and apply bold, and here is font size dark blue font size font color. Okay, I have done 6 steps of this assignment. Now I am moving on the 7th step of this assignment. The 7th step is that with the column charts selected at a primary horizontal axis title and tab job titles as the axis title. Apply dark blue font color to the axis title. Okay. First we select this title and with the column chart, go to the column chart. And primary horizontal axis value. Axis title, primary horizontal. Here is axis, axis title, primary horizontal. Now step number 7 is done. Now going to step number 8. Step number 8 is that selected the bar chart, change the maximum bound for the value axis to 18,000 and display the unit in thousands. Apply dark blue font color to the axis title. Okay. Basically, in this step we will change the maximum bound for the value axis. Select the bar chart. Go to the bar chart. Click on axis value for minute axis. Change the value axis. Maximum bound of value axis. Change the maximum bound of value axis. And display the units in thousand. Measure display units in thousands. Okay, apply blue font color to the axis title 1000. Apply blue color the axis. Apply dark blue font color to the axis title. Okay. Now 8th step is done. 8th step is complete. Now moving on to step number 9. Step number 9 is that select the pie chart at data label in the inside and position, display percentage labels, remove the value data label, apply bold and 18 pt font size to the data label. Go to the pie chart, click on this data label, go to more option, data label, go to more option, categories, select category name and percentage and remove value, data label, display percentage number, remove the value data labels. Apply bold and 18 pt font size with data label inside and position. Inside and position. Okay, inside and apply bold and 18 pt font size color. For bold, like bold, here is bold, and for font size in 18 pt font size. Okay, now I moving on step number 10. Step number 10 is that apply the blue tissue paper texture fill to the chart area on the pie chart. Chart area, here is chart area. Here is chart area. Here is, here is fill color. Apply the basically this step we will apply the blue tissue paper texture fill color. Go to the fill color, solid fill or solid fill color. Sorry, we will fill color. Blue tissue paper texture fill to the chart area on the pie chart. Okay, apply the blue tissue paper texture fill color to the chart area on the pie chart. Okay, go to the Excel workbook, click on chart area, format chart area. Here is picture or texture fill color. You can select. Now you can select. Here is blue tissue paper color on the chart area. Okay. I have done 10 step of this assignment. Now I move on step number 11. Step number 11 just with the pie chart selected, all text display the percentage of new computer jobs by jobs title. Okay, we will select this all text. Basically, in this step we will have to apply all text on pie chart. Go to pie chart. Right click on this format. So you find all text. Click in this box, paste. Click in this box, paste, enter. Okay, it will be added all text. Total